Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text word circle in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make text word circle. Go to the Insert menu. Select the word art option and select any word art. Then write anything on this word art text. Then click OK. Then select the word art text, go to the word art menu and select the change shape option, and we can see here many shapes. Now we select the word circle. Then resize the text. Now we can see we make text word circle very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.